Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Aviation Speaks. In this video, we will describe aircraft structure and the aircraft maneuvering. Aircraft structure includes propeller, power plant, ailerons, flaps, elevators, stabilizer, and rudder. Forces of flight. As you can see in the picture, there are four forces of flight which act on an airplane. First is lift, which act upwards, then thrust, which act forward, weight, which act downwards, and drag, which act backwards. Thrust is generated by the engine or propeller. Weight act downwards due to the gravity of force. It includes weight of the fuel, weight of the aircraft, pilot and luggages. Drag is the force which act oppose the thrust. Lift is generated by the thermodynamics of the wings. As you can see, drag opposes the thrust and weight opposes the lift. Center of gravity. It is a point on the aircraft in which the plane suspended, it will remain on the same level. As you can see, the center of gravity is properly managed, the aircraft is stable. In this picture, the center of gravity is disturbed and the weight moves towards the tail. The tail is down and nose is up. In this condition, the aircraft stalls. In this picture, the center of gravity is also disturbed and the weight moves towards the nose. This means the nose will be down and the tail will be up. Airplanes maneuvering. Aircraft moves in three different directions along with three different axes. First is pitching. Pitch up and pitch down means nose up and nose down. This direction is along with lateral axis. The rolling direction is along with the longitudinal axis. In this movement, aircraft will roll. Yawing. Yawing is the side-by-side movement of the aircraft. It is along with vertical axis.